Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have your dataset open. Start now by refreshing so values match the source. Select the column to group, categorical names, or a numeric measure, then right-click it in the Fields pane. Choose Group to open the dialog. Pick List for manual buckets or Bin for equal-width numeric groups. Once done, name the new group field so it's clear in visuals. This first step creates a reusable field, and you're ready to refine bucket logic next. Now refine the grouping choices so the output matches your analysis goals. For numeric bins, set the bin size, start value, and precision, make sure 0. 5 or 10 fits the data spread. For manual groups, drag items into buckets, use include or exclude, and rename each bucket for clarity. Once done, use advanced options to merge adjacent ranges, decide how to treat nulls, and set the display order. These actions control how visuals apply the new group to a chart or slicer to test results. You want counts and totals to match expectations. If a group looks skewed, change the bin size or edit manual buckets, and then refresh visuals. Make sure data types are correct, numeric versus text, because mismatches break grouping logic. If things go wrong, first refresh the dataset, then reopen the group dialog to inspect settings. As a last resort, delete and recreate the group to clear hidden state or conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.